Hi, this is Kaisha Moments, ang podcast para sa Chinoy at di Chinoy. Kamusta ka?
Hi! Ang topic natin ngayon ay The Great Wall. How do I tell my parents that I have a BF or GF that is not Filipino Chinese or Chinoy or Chinay? Napakahirap talaga for Chinoys or Chinays with regards to a relationship with a non-Filipino Chinese person. Kasi big deal talaga sa parents yan. I should know. I've been there. And, it was not a very easy journey. Kasi alam mo, ang parents talagang they would really want somebody na same culture, same religion, same race. Nandyan na talaga yan eh. Hindi na maaalis yan. So, one of the tips that I can really share is that, number one, you need to have a lot of patience. Kasi, meron akong mga kakilala na they really went through the relationship. They waited for 10 years para ma-approve ng parents. So, when you are in a relationship with somebody that your parents doesn't approve, it is really a challenge. Kasi hindi biro talaga. Hindi biro magkaroon ng relationship with somebody that your parents disapprove. So number one, you need to have a lot of patience. Importante yon. Number two is try to understand the side of your parents. Kasi alam mo yon, kumbaga yung time nila, ganun din ang nangyari sa kanila eh. Parang they were forced or they were told to marry somebody of the same race. So you have to learn how to understand them. Okay? So next is ligawan ang parents. Diba? Kumbaga, kung hindi siya gusto, mag-effort siya sa parents to prove na mahal ka niya, na willing siya magsakripisyo with you. Kasi importante yun eh. Parents look at the integrity and authenticity of their child's partner. Importante sa kanila yun. So, kailangan mong ipakita sa kanila na, okay, I am willing to be with your daughter or your son, and I will do my best to make it work. And syempre, alamin ko anong hilig ng parents, diba? Kung ang hilig ng parents ay food, syempre, magbigay ng food, diba? Kung ang parents ay mahilig mag-travel, you initiate travel with the parents, diba? Kumbaga, tsaka number 3 is consistency. Importante yung visibility mo sa family. Kasi, gusto kasi makita ng parents na talagang seryoso ka sa anak nila. Kung talagang ready ka ba na mag-adjust sa tradition nila. Diba? Kasi isa sa mga traditions ng Filipino-Chinese, number 1, is syempre sa religion. Some are Buddhists, some are Christians, diba? Some are Sagradong Katoliko. So, importante sa kanila yun na you follow also the same path. Diba? Second is, pareho ba kayo ng status? Kumbaga, kaya nyo bang buhayin yung mga anak nila? Diba? Can you support the children? can you support their children and the children of their children, kumbaga, kung yung magiging apo nila. Importante kasi yung stability eh. Kasi kung walang stability, then yan ang isa sa mga no-no ng mga parents. Diba? So, napaka-challenging talaga if ayaw ng parents yung partner. Pero, sabi nga nila, bilog ang mundo. Pwedeng ngayon, hindi ka niya gusto. Pwedeng bukas, okay ka na. Based from experience from my friends, talagang naghintay sila ng 10 years bago na-accept ng parents yung partner niya. So, pinaglaban niya yun. So, nasa atin yung choice, diba? Kung gusto ba natin ipaglaban or hindi. Kung gusto ba natin ituloy o hindi. So, if you are struggling right now that your parents disapprove of your current partner, huwag kang mag-alala. Number 1 din kasi na huwag mong kakalimutan is to pray. Prayer can lead to miracles, you know. So, prayer and of course, kahit anong spirituality, if you go to church, if you go to the Buddhist temple, I think prayer and meditation can help you manifest. So, I think it's very important. Number 3, yung ma-acquaint yung parents mo sa current partner mo. Importante yun. Kasi, kung acquainted sila, and I think kung magiging okay sa parents mo yung ugali nila, then soon maybe, malay mo, diba? Magustuhan na nila at ma-approve na nila. Pero importante talaga ang patience. Kasi kung walang patience, talagang hindi talaga mag-work. So, kung ikaw man ngayon ay nahihirapan dahil merong parents na disapprove sa current partner mo, prove to your parents that he or she is worth it. Okay? Remember, yung blessing ng parents, importante yon. Kasi kahit anong gawin natin, they are our parents. And once you get married, you will become parents too, and you will realize the value of becoming a parent. So, kung ano man ang pagsubok, nalalampasan yan. At huwag tayong mag-worry. Okay? So, hope to see you sa next episode. Kung meron man kayong comments dito sa topic na to, I want to hear from you. Okay? See you!